Boom. Boom.
Know what I mean?
More?
Guys, wait before you get
And
snowing. Snow.
want to throw one at Elliot? Ready? And boom. Whoa, you got him.
I was trying to go that side. Can't turn to the back.
Boom. Boom.
That boy.
Want to throw it at Mama? Oh, here we go. Watch this.
Oh, Elliot.
Elliot.
Oh!
You totally chickened out. Here, I'll do it again. Now it's like empty here.
Yeah, it's a little closed.
Dory's turn.
I'm sweating. I'm officially sweating now.
I'm going to do this after you guys.
You want some snow?
Yeah. Oh! You see that? What happened? Here. One more. It's all right here.
Apple. Apple.